This is the return of the weekly release roundup.
Bringing you the latest breaking release dates, news from the industry, rumours, and stuff from the culture.
But before we get into it, make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe button down below. We'll also leave time codes in the comments so you can skip to whatever you want to. Releasing on Thursday, October 31st, Halloween, we have the Nike SB Night of Mischief. What are you feeling about these? How you doing?
Yeah, I really like the colour scheme, man. I don't like the Halloween theme. I think it's a bit novelty.
Yeah.
I don't like the spider's web on the side.
No, I'm not a fan of the jack-o'-lantern perforations either. Friday, November the 1st, the Nike Air Force 1 Gore-Tex will get a wider release. It's already dropped on Nike. We've had it in early. It's done really well on Instagram. Are you a fan?
You know what the Gore-Tex is for, right?
It makes it waterproof.
Yeah, for all the wet boys out there. Yeah, so...
And the wet boys.
Next up, we got the Nike Air Fear of God 1 Oatmeal.
Yep, £299. This is Jerry Lorenzo's signature shoe, and we will have an unboxing of this coming very soon. Are you a fan? Have you seen the colourway?
Yeah, it looks like the Air Force 1 flats, but the Fear of God 1 is not great.
Sorry, I can't take your outfit seriously at the moment.
Next up, we have got the FPAR Nike SB Dunk High. £110 coming out on Saturday, the 2nd of November.
This is taking inspiration from the Jordan 5 and Jordan 6. We've got that Jordan 6 tongue, and then we've got the toggles and stuff.
Yeah.
It's a no from me. It's a dead shoe, in my opinion.
Yeah, in your opinion, yeah. Remember how much hate you got in the previous video.
Yeah, it shattered Backbone 3.0. People didn't like me for being honest, but what can you do?
Finally, we've got the Adidas Yeezy 500 Soft Vision Saturday. It's not called the Soft Vision Saturday, it's coming out on Saturday. But the way Chris wrote that, it looks like it's called the Soft Vision Saturday. It's coming out on Saturday, November the 2nd.
Yeah, it's £170, traditional Yeezy 500. Yeah. It's nice, it's got the nice little pink tones coming all the way across it. What do you prefer, the 5 or 700?
700.
Nike have hired their new CEO, John Donahoe, and he has come from eBay, and it's going to be a more tech-focused way of doing things for Nike.
Next up, Vans' growth rate slows and parent company stocks fall by 8%. But the brand is more popular than ever.
And they're getting more and more collaborations, but apparently it's not actually translating into sales. People are now panic buying their shares, so it's not a great time for Vans.
Come on, get close to me, man.
Oh, sorry. Today we have seen the unique future Pharrell Williams Adidas NMD. Are you a fan?
Yeah, I love it. That multicoloured scheme is great.
It's bright green, it's a singular tone.
Next up, Kith times Nike Air Force 1 2020 collaboration. Looks like a banger. I love an Air Force 1.
You do love an Air Force 1. It's triple white, it's got nice gold accents, university red hits as well. Hasn't been confirmed as of yet, but it has been seen in Kith's lookbooks. Absolute banger of a shoe.
Next up, we've got the Off-White Dunks. December the 20th, they're rumoured to come out, right?
Seen these all over Instagram, and I saw them on foot at SneakerCon. George, I'm very ill. I don't think you want to be getting my germs right now, fella.
Next up, we've got the Clot Air Force 1, the 11th of November.
It comes with blue satin all the way across the upper, a nice little tapestry vibe to it. It's a bit of a banger.
Next up, 10th of December, the Biotech Nike SB Dunk.
Taking it back to the vintage SB Dunk days. This one's loud as anything. We also had the Biotech Air Max 90. This geezer's on crack today.
Now, finally, for the culture. All of the culture.
All the culture related stuff.
All of it.
Such as The Joker is now officially the highest grossing, R-rated film of all time.
Oh. Cool.
Yeah.
On to the next one. Liverpool will now be sponsored by Nike, and New Balance is
suing them.
Really?
Yeah, they were suing them. So any offer that come in from another brand, such as Nike, they could then match it for another season. But that then got thrown out by the High Court. And now the New Balance are saying, you know what, we're going to go against that. We're going
on to the next one. Versace boxing gloves will retail at $3,126. We'll say no more on that. On to the next one. The Supreme times North Face collab is fire.
Are you a fan? What's it got on it?
A jacket, a black jacket.
There is a black jacket.
Yeah.
There's two black jackets. There's a big print of the Statue of Liberty all the way across it. You said it's fire. Will you be copying?
Yeah. Finally, Kurt Cobain's cardigan from MTV Unplugged has gone for $334,000 at auction, and it hasn't been washed in 25 years.
It's a bit dirty in my opinion. It's been a crazy week for auctions. There was also a rare art piece that was found in someone's living room. Sold for 24 million.
Mad.
Imagine that.
Mad.
Absolute comer.
I wonder what I can sell my garments for in
These
the
Tom
future, man.
Ford, yeah, Tom Ford sunglasses, you might be able to sell them for something.
They're fake. I got them from the geezer on the street in Ibiza. It's great.
This has been the weekly release roundup. This has been George. I've been Chris from the Soul Supplier. Make sure you hit that like, share, and subscribe button down below.
Peace.
See you.